Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Pretty much what we're going to talk about is beauty, fashion, and then also travel. Three of my most favorite things. So welcome. And then if you are returning, you already know what's up. So today what I'm going to be talking about is new foundation for you guys. Okay, so first I have to say that I absolutely love this foundation and primer so much. I normally don't even wear primer, but I wanted to just try it out and see how it works on my skin, because sometimes I feel like they say, oh, the primer do this and do that, but I just haven't had a primer that fully works for me, but I think I found the one. So I am really excited to show you guys what I have been using for over a few months now. I definitely say I've been using this primer and foundation for about, well, since January of this year. And first I started off getting an actual sample of it before I actually purchased it, because it's actually pretty expensive. This is the most expensive foundation and primer that I ever purchased. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it so you can see what I purchased. So the foundation and primer that I purchased is actually YSL foundation and primer. So when you get it, it actually is going to come in this gold packaging, which I absolutely love so much. It's really pretty packaging. And this is what it looks like when you take it out of the package. So it is glass, so this is the foundation, and as you can see, I've been using it a lot. And then this is the primer. So you probably can't really see it as much, but it actually has like these gold shimmers in it, and I love it so much. So this foundation and primer, the foundation cost about $52, and then I believe the primer is $58. So that is the most expensive that I ever purchased on a foundation. So I do suggest that if you decide to try this, go in there, get a sample first, and if you really like it, then you will invest in that purchase. So I have to say again that I love this foundation so much. It just makes my skin look super clear, super radiant, and I get lots of comments on my skin when I even put the foundation and the primer on together. I just love that. And first, let me just read what it says the primer would do. It says that pores are visibly appear diminished, which is correct. The skin and texture is smooth, which is also correct. And then once you apply the foundation on top of the primer, it gives off this radiant glow, which is also correct. And I've noticed it in my pictures. I noticed it just by looking at myself in the mirror, how beautiful my skin looks in this foundation. So I definitely recommend trying this out. And then the foundation is really breathable, so you won't have to worry about your skin feeling like cakey or matte. I honestly don't really like matte foundations as well. I like to have a dewy type of skin with my foundation, so I like my skin to be a bit breathable. And you don't really need as much when you pumping it like on your brush or your beauty blender. You don't even need that much, so all you have to do is just apply it on to your liking. It also is a buildable foundation as well. So I just love it. It gives off this radiant vibe, and I do not experience any transfer with the foundation. The only thing that I experience, and this is with any foundation that I try on or wear, is within my smile lines, because one, I'm always talking. I am a professor, so I have to talk and I smile and interact a lot. So I do experience that. And then also I'm always snacking on something, so your girl gotta eat. So I do experience that, but all I do is take my powder brush and run over my smile lines, and it's perfect. It's like I've never even eaten or talked or anything. So the foundation is easily fixable as well. So without all of this rambling, let's just go ahead and get into the video for real this time. You guys, so this is the final look of my high-end foundation routine that I've been doing for a while, since January. And like I said before at the beginning, I absolutely love this foundation so much. As you can see how my skin is just like glowing and have like this radiance to it. I love it. It's like hands down my favorite foundation, like high-end foundation to use. Also, I love the primer, because as you can see, kind of have like that hint of shimmer to it. So it just gives like this natural, beautiful look. And that is what I look for in a foundation. And again, I said that this foundation is about $50. So just try to figure out if that's something that you are interested in and willing to spend, but it's definitely worth every penny. And I love it so much. I love just how I just look so refreshed and beautiful. So yes, you guys, this is my favorite foundation. I will use it every single day, and it just makes my skin look bomb. Yeah, that's it. It's just, you see that? Like, I just can't even explain anything else to you guys because you can see this. But yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And again, if you get the YSL foundation, come back and let me know how you think about it. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next video. Thank you all so much for watching.